So I'm Michael, I'm the Director of Sales at NonoflowX. We are a chemical company. So we have approximately 38 different products in our portfolio. We specialize in electronic nano coatings, industrial coatings for paint, ceramic, metal, stainless. So basically we can take our customers' needs and find a solution to help ruggedize their product, whether it's a mobile device that might be out in the field, whether it's some sort of a surface that's in a harsh saltwater environment, especially with the Navy.
Gotcha.
We do a lot of products as far as helping soldiers out in the field, help protect their uniforms from waterproofing those.
Okay.
We can help with anti-fog visors that we have, anti-fog liners that help prevent fog, so you obviously have a good line of sight when you're out in the field.
Yeah. And then, so what applications, like today, what's your biggest one that you're showcasing? What do you guys have out the most? In the
So at our booth today, we're doing our electronic nano coating.
Okay.
Basically, what that does is we're replacing a conformal coating. So it's a safer, easier, faster solution to weatherize and ruggedize electronics.
Yeah.
It's a simple procedure. It's a two-step process. You take a PCB board electronics, you would dip it in the solution for just 10 seconds,
yep.
And then you take that out, and it's a heat cure after that for 2 to 5 minutes, just depending on the complexity of the board, at 180 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, that's very cool, and in fact we're using it in a very harsh environment for one of my clients, and it's done way better than the conformal coating. Application's much easier, so that's really exciting. So I mean, tell me about, like, for the Navy. I mean, you guys can, I'm assuming, ships anything metal. You've got all kinds of stuff out there that needs help.
We're doing anything metal, anything basically that can have corrosion or any bacteria, any sort of weatherization that could cause shortness of life of product. We can extend the life on all those. We have a nano ceramic coating that we can do on paint and metals. We've done testing with Johnny Force race team. We have a 4% less wind drag.
Wow.
On our
just
paint
coating.
Just from our nano coating.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
That's
4%. And in drag racing, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's huge.
4%
right?
is huge when you're talking going.
So imagine what they did if they applied it to an airplane or
to
something.
airplanes.
Yeah.
We're currently doing testing with a few companies as far as even protecting the windshields of the planes from getting sand and dust blasts.
Okay.
It's affecting the vision of the pilots.
Okay, and one of the things I love about your guys' company is you're not just selling a bottled product. You guys are applying everything. You guys work with the customer, right?
Yep.
And help make the formula particular for them in their application, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
So we're a chemical company. We have some of our standard products, but if we have a customer that has a specific need, we definitely can go to the drawing board and tweak some of those to meet their requirements and their solution. We are the chemical manufacturer, so we sell it as a DIY process. So on a smaller volume level, it's a simple, a little dip and heat cure. You can do that on a low level, or we also have offices in China and Hong Kong to help represent the larger manufacturers, where it goes a robotic arm with a PCB board would just go into a dip bath, come out and straight into a heat curing oven. The whole process takes about 5 minutes.
So either way, you could do the self-dipped, or if you want to scale it up for
absolutely
manufacturing. So do you guys have any current DoD customers, DOE customers at all right now?
Right now, we've just been approved on the GSA schedule, and we went to the Point Hueneme event, and so we're doing testing with a few different companies. We have NDAs on that.
Okay.
But as far as what we're testing the metal ceramic painting coating to help with corrosion, and the electronics, as well as the anti-fog.
Oh, that's great. I'm curious to see how those tests go out.
Sure.
Maybe you can get a part of Coastal Trident this year.
Sure.
And get out in the field and test it out. So if somebody wanted to find out more about your company, where do they go? What's the best way to get in contact?
So you could either contact me, but NonoflowX, you can just go to our website, and that will link you to all three of our companies. We have SnapGuard, which is our industrial. NonoflowX is the electronics. And then MotoShield Pro is the moto side of our division. We have a lot of great videos of our technology of all kinds on YouTube as well.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And one of the things that I liked about NonoflowX is that they had previous studies already done that we were able to look at and figure out how things would perform even before we got done. So it's a great resource. I really appreciate what you guys do. And thanks for the time coming out and sharing with us.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
Cool. Thanks, man.